Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family from allergies with EpiPen. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Allergies can pose serious risks to your family's health. Knowing how to use an EpiPen can save a life during an allergic reaction. First, ensure you have an EpiPen on hand. Check the expiration date regularly. Next, familiarize yourself with the signs of anaphylaxis. Symptoms may include difficulty breathing, swelling of the throat, or hives. If someone is experiencing these symptoms, act quickly. Remove the EpiPen from its case. Hold it in your dominant hand, with your thumb on the bottom. Ensure the autoinjector is pointing downwards. With your other hand, remove the safety cap. Do not touch the orange end of the EpiPen. Position the EpiPen against the outer thigh, at a right angle. Firmly press the EpiPen into the thigh. You should hear a click, indicating it has activated. Hold the EpiPen in place for 3 seconds. After the injection, remove it and massage the injection site for about 10 seconds. Call for emergency medical help immediately, even if symptoms improve. If more than one dose is available, a second injection may be given after 10 to 15 minutes if symptoms persist. Store the EpiPen at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Educate family members on how and when to use the EpiPen. Practice regularly with a trainer EpiPen if available. Keep the EpiPen accessible at all times, especially during outings. Check in regularly with a healthcare provider for updated allergy information. By following these steps, you can help protect your loved ones from the dangers of severe allergies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.